So what we're going to be doing is, the type of stitching I'll be teaching you guys is Coptic stitch. But before we get on to that, we'll actually be making our covers. Put the pretty paper on your cover. I'm just going to use white glue for this because why not? Then you're going to take your handy dandy paintbrush and paint it all over the place. And then you'll take it and put it on there. Then you'll take your handy dandy, whatever you've been using, and really make it stick. Maybe put some newspaper down while you're doing this part. Alright, there's that one. So then that is cover number 1, and as you can see, it'll fit nicely on that. And this one you'll also definitely want to let it dry for 24 hours for sure. But yeah, then you will take your next sheet. Beautiful paintbrush. Then you'll take this and again put it on exactly the same way as before. Take a ruler or something, just get it down so that it's really stuck on there. Oh, and the reason why I determined this one was the back was because I messed up on cutting it. You guys will not have to worry about that though. But take whichever one you think looks better, or once you're done putting on here, whichever one looks better, put on the front. That's my rule of thumb. Make the front look good. Make the front look gorgeous. And then once the front is gorgeous, people won't notice the back as much. Because that's just how things go. Alright, so then you have both of these done. These ones you'll also let dry for 24 hours. Alright, so next part, you'll put the glue onto the backing. Make sure you get it all onto there. Okay. So once that is done, you'll take your backing here. And you will put it on there. And then use the same technique. Grab a ruler or something, or else it just probably won't stick as well. And then you let this dry for 24 hours as well. What a surprise. And then you will do the same thing to the other sheet. I'll take your glue and go full. All right, you see there that is done. You take it, and you put it on there. Okay, and then these are what you will let sit for 24 hours along with your pages, and then we will show you what to do tomorrow. Alright, and now when the covers are drying, we are going to move over to the pages and work on those. So first, with starting to make books, first you're going to make your signatures. And to make your signatures, you'll be folding 4 sheets of paper and then putting those signatures together. So, first you will fold your sheet of paper. I like to take those extra couple seconds to really line it up. I generally use a ruler at home. These are very nice for getting nice edges. You'll want really nice fine edges for books. And then you will do that with all 20 sheets that you have, and then at the end you will end up with 5 signatures. If you want more signatures, like a thicker book, you will need, you can just fold more paper if you want. And you would continue on doing that until you are done. I always recommend listening to a podcast or watching a TV show or something like that. Okay, so once you have these, you'll put your heavy books on there. So what I usually do is, you'll take some heavy books or something like that and place them onto here, and then you'll leave it for 24 hours.